out of a balloon. So what you want to do is leave 5 to 6 inch for air room right here. So now we just gonna go ahead and tie it. Okay, so from here what we want to do is to make a nose for the dog. You just want to twist and make a nose just like that. Alright, and now I'm gonna twist it 2 more for the ears. So keep this, hold on to this part, and we're gonna twist 2 more parts, roughly 2 inch. Okay, like that. And now you got 3 separate parts. So now what you want to do is fold it back. So what you're gonna do is twist this into this gap right here. And now you got the head and the ears. Now you got the nose and the ear. So you're gonna squeeze this part, and then what you're gonna do is about roughly 2 to 3 inch down, twist it, and then twist about 3 inch. This one we want to make a little longer for the legs. So about 3 inch, twist it, and then we're gonna do the exact same thing what we did with the ears. We're gonna turn this back, okay, and then we're gonna twist it from here to here. Perfect. Now we got the legs. Get the legs for the dog. And about 2 to 3 inch again. Now twist it, and now we're gonna make the back leg, which we want to make it roughly the same size as the front leg. So just eyeballing it from here. Here, twist, and then you do the exact same thing as the other one. Turn it, and then you twist it. And that was